Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can block and report someone in Google Chat. So I'm using Google Chat on PC and you can open the Google Chat apps um, if you have downloaded. And if you haven't downloaded, you can open the Gmail and you can open the chat section. So I'm going to open the Google Chat because I have downloaded. So to block and report someone in Google Chat, you can open the chat section and select the message conversation or the chat message that you want to block and report. So at the name conversation, you can click and you can find the block and report option. Just click on it. So if you want to block and report, you can check the box to report to Google and just click block. But if you just want to block, you don't need to check the report to Google. Just click block only. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.